Nabay bugoy. Ito yung bird nest guys. Iwan ko kung baka hindi sila nakita yung saan yung bahay nila. Dito na ito sa may kilid ng kalsada.
Down.
Schowała. She playing by the leaf. That's what it looks like. You crazy.
Tropidolamus sobanalatus. Only in Bohol. Wild. Ito guys, nag-herping kami guys. May nakita kaming
Kahoy.
walking stick.
Kahoy ba?
Wow, another
Male
male and female. Yeah, this is a male female. Walking stick, male and female.
Kahoy ba na?
Yeah, nice.
Kayo.
Guys, nag-herping kami guys. Ito yung tinatawag na crested lizard guys. Kung hawakan mo to guys, mag-change sila ng color if hawakan mo. Ito sila guys. Ito ang crested lizard. Sa Bisaya is tilalas.